Today we're eating Jeju black pork, the rarest pork in the entire world. It's cooked right here at the table with their own grill specialist, and there's even a vent to take in all the smoke. You take the meat fresh as it cooks and pair it with any condiment or side. They bring out a smoking hot grill and put it right in the table. The anchovy sauce is a specialty, and that's put on the grill right away. We got a set with a few different cuts of pork. They went ahead and took the bone out with scissors. These are some chunky bits of pork. It looks like they sear it lightly on each side, and then they cut it up into smaller pieces. I'm glad they're preparing it because I wouldn't know what to do. I can already tell how juicy the pork's gonna be by the way it sizzles. I can't think of a better way to wait on the food than be right here during the entire cooking process. That is the freshest way to eat this pork. I love this setup. The hot grill with the sizzling pork, where you can listen to it the entire time you're waiting, seeing all the smoke going to the vent, and waiting with all of the sides and toppings for the pork. The first few pieces are coming off the grill. There's so many different ways to eat this and craft each bite, but I'm gonna start with a plain piece with the salt. The flavor of this pork is unreal. It's perfectly tender, juicy, and it's not greasy at all. Let's actually build one of the lettuce wraps. Wow. All of these are so good and fresh. This is an anchovy sauce, so I find that really interesting that we're gonna have some fish with the pork. I'm surprised how well this anchovy sauce pairs with this too, because you get just a little bit of that anchovy flavor, but it enhances the pork. With this set, we have an abalone fried rice, which is a Jeju specialty. That is a nice bite of rice and seaweed. Fried rice is incredible. It has notes of seafood flavor. I guess that's from the abalone. It has a nice texture too. This is an interesting leaf to me. I've never seen perilla leaves before, but I've noticed it in several dishes in Korea. The coolest thing about this experience is really crafting every bite, whether you want just a little bit of salt or if you want some of the meat with that anchovy sauce on it. Some of that in there. I'm gonna put a little fresh garlic in this one. I'm a huge fan of adding wasabi. Perilla leaves have an herbal flavor, so it mixes up the variety between the lettuce and the perilla leaf. I like it a lot though. I don't know much about this soup. It's interesting because it's cold, but these noodles are really unique and they have a lot of flavor. It's like a refreshing palate cleanser. We're having a few different cuts with this set. In the last set, you can really see the fat. The fat is what really makes Jeju pork pop. Briny likes it like this with that green onion salad on there. We've got to go for the fatty pieces with some salt. Look at that fat. A little salt. The fat completely melts in your mouth. I'm enjoying this set with all of the different cuts too. And how you get the bone with just a little bit of meat on it. That's premium meat right there on the bone. Nothing goes to waste. I just grab these seaweed wraps, scoop up the abalone rice, and make a special bite. The flavor combinations are a lot of fun, but for a meat this rare and this good, I'm a huge fan of just having it with a little bit of salt in its purest form. It really is world-class pork. It's top tier. This has been one of our best experiences in Korea. I can't wait to try more food, and we'll see you in the next video.